How to buy Bitcoin on MoonPay. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In this tutorial video, I'm here to guide you on how to buy Bitcoin on MoonPay. Do watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more tech and tips videos. Firstly, launch your Play Store and make sure to install and download the MoonPay Buy Bitcoin Solana application on your device. Once installed, tap Open button and make sure to log in or sign in to your MoonPay account using your email or Google account. Once you logged in and enter on the interface of MoonPay, you will land on this kind of home page of MoonPay account. Scroll down and under popular tokens, you will get different options that is Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and Litecoin. So for now, in order to buy Bitcoin, tap Bitcoin option. On the section, tap Buy Bitcoin at bottom of the screen. Now you will land on this Buy Bitcoin page where you will be able to make purchase of $200, $300, $500, and $1,000. If you just tap on the amount that you like, and the amount will change on the top in this way. You will be able to make the purchase of that amount that you have selected. Tap on the continue button at the bottom of the screen, and then here you have to enter your address. So let's tap on our Bitcoin account. Tap on the continue button at bottom of the screen. So once you have selected your account number, you can easily add a payment method, whether that's debit card or adding a bank account that can make SCPA payments. So once you have chosen and selected payment method and entering the details, you can easily buy Bitcoins on Moon applications. So that's it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and subscribe.